just gonna like, I don't have a plan. I'm just opening some paints that I have going on my table. I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanna like throw some paints, blow some paints, not even care. And I am committing to posting this video, even if it's ugly and horrendous. That's my birthday guarantee. Okay, so what I've opened so far, just for fun. I know, because I mixed this the other day for my last video, Matisse Australian Red Violet, one of the most expensive paints. So pretty. I also have TLP Sequins, which you can't see right now, but it's a red interference, which you can't see. You'll see it. This is some sort of concoction of a smoky purps that I've made in the past. We don't know. You'll have to look at other videos. Because I'm wild and crazy, within this mix, I'm gonna pop in TLP Waterfall, and it's just gonna like blow you away. I do have titanium white mixed in my pouring medium. I don't know if I'm gonna use this is TLP Rosé, which I open. I'm not sure if I'm feeling her yet. I think maybe because it's my birthday, I should maybe go with my all-time old school favorite pigment, which is Golden Peach, which is different. Let me mix her up, I'll show you. Different than Rosé. It is peachier. I know these lights are insane. It's like they're so bright that you can't pick it up. Compared, does it look that different in these lights? You can tell this is more gold. I think we're gonna go gold. Oh, it's crazy. I don't know. She's looking a little warm over there. And wouldn't it be crazy? The other day in a video, I mixed up my green ice, which was TLP Sea Glass and TLP Sterling, and I made this icy color. Green ice. I'm just gonna, it's insane. I'm just gonna do it. Should I? Ooh. I have white cell activator, and then I have this cell activator I mixed up the other day, which is like kind of like a silver cell activator. Okay, I'm gonna show you what we're looking at, guys. I don't know, I'm now a little nervous. I was all cocky in the beginning, being like, I'm gonna just do whatever. All right, I'll show you. Okay, look at what we're looking at here. This is like, oh, it's crazy. I can't do this to myself. Can I? This is like way too warm. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have to put her away. It scared me. Should I go back to the rosé? Or should I go to my Tri Art? She's a little tame. Maybe I'll go back to the rosé. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, that's more acceptable. Oh God. Okay, so hold on. I have 1, 2, 3 tubies, 4 piggies. All right, that will do. Now let's talk about what color pillow paint I'm doing for my Bday. I'm gonna go, maybe I'll go with this majestic purple. Oh, all right, why not? I'm wild and crazy. Okay, I'm gonna remove my paints. I don't even know what size I'm doing. Let's discuss. Okay, so if I'm doing a purple, we gotta layer our colors appropriately. So we're starting with a piggy. So I will start with rosé, okay? Then we will go, this purple with this on top. Then I will go this with sequins. Oh, and then I have this piggy and this white. Ooh, you know what, I'm not gonna use white and white, am I? Okay, wait, I'm switching it up. I'm gonna use this last. It's gonna be really intense. So I'm gonna put the white. Okay, I just switched it around. But where am I gonna put my sea glass is the thing. Do we need sea glass? I'm gonna put sea glass this side. I'm not gonna use her just yet. Okay, so what I have done is I did rosé, purple, sequins, white, waterfall, violet. Okay, I should put on glovies, right? I was so excited, I didn't even like prepare. And what size are we doing for my B-Day? I know I want to go big, but I don't want to start like moving everything around. You know what I mean? So why don't I just do whatever this is for. Hold on. This is, hold on, I gotta move things around. But this is 12, 14, 16 inches. Okay? And I'm just gonna move these things because it's gonna make a mess, of course. I wasn't prepared to do a big guy, but whatever. We're just living by the seat of our pants here, you know what I mean? Okay. So, this does not feel level because it is not level. A level spinner is quite important. Okay, good. You can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, let's move back. Oh, you hear Elliot screaming around. I don't know why. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop the video and then recenter. Okay. So, here we go. Majestic Perps. Oh God, we're just going for it. Remember, I made a commitment. Should I put some green in here though? Ooh, ooh. You know what I mean? Green is always nice. Okay, whatever. I'm just going for it. Majestic Purple. It dries darker like this. Here we go. Okay. This should be good. Okay. Oh mon Dieu. Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to speak French now because that's where we're at in life. Okay. We're gonna stretch her out a little bit. Doopity doop. Just like that. I do see a little blooper. Hold on. Whoop. Hold on. No bloops allowed on my B-Day. There we go. Okay. We're just doing it. You know what I mean? Here we go. And I'm blowing it with my mouth. Like, you know. Here we go. I don't know why I'm so nervous about it. Rosé, pretty. Already, it's a winner. Right? Next we have whatever this color is. Smoky Perps. Okay. Next. Oh, I'm gonna make such a mess. I gotta like really move stuff. Okay. Meanwhile, let me put this over here. Next, we are going sequins. This could be comic because I do see, so one has a gold sparkle and one doesn't between sequins and comet, and one's violet, one's red, but they're both pretty, so whatever. Okay, we're doing a bit of this white, just a little bit. So far, the colors are looking quite nice. Am I crazy for putting this blue in? I'm doing it. It's my B-Day. No one can tell me what to do. That's looking pretty, right? Mo's home, by the way. That's why Elliot and Mo are running around like animals. Here we go. Not too much, because she wants to take over. Okay? Okay, I did it. Oh, gosh. Guys, oh, you ready? Okay, I'm gonna go, white first, and then my silver shit. It's okay, shh, nothing. White and then silver, okay? Mouth blow. Mouth blow. How did your mouth blow? Okay, ready? What is happening? Did I mix up something? What do you think? Did I? No. Is that weird? Okay. I don't like it. I don't know what happened. Doing it again, but we're not panicking. It will give it a cool outline. Oh mon dieu. Ew. Okay, the colors are okay. We're going again, but you know what I'm gonna do? Because I already blew down in the middle, I'm gonna put a little bit more pillow down just so it has somewhere to go, okay? Like, just like this, yeah. Because we need a pillow to blow. We'll do a bit more. Just to give it something. Okay. My birthday pour is gonna be awesome. I don't mind what I've done so far. All right, let's try again, shall we? Maybe is it because this is too thick also? See, I was so excited. I didn't, yeah, look how thick that is. I didn't even like check consistencies. I was just like gung-ho, let's go. I must be a little more careful now. Just thinning it with a little josonja gloss varnish. I was wondering why it wasn't blowing, but holy cannoli. A little more. Here we go. She's better. All right, let's go again. No more shenanigans on my B-day. Okay, I did that. The next one was this purple. How's this? Looks fine to me. Okay, next one is the, this is the, you know what it is, comet or sequins. Do you know what? For funsies, I am gonna put a bit of that green ice in there for fun. Just around the edges, green ice, okay? Now I'm putting even less white. Okay, just like drizzle, 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 drizzle. That's it. Then I will put some of this waterfall. Bloopity blue, bloopy doo, right? And I'm gonna drizzle this guy. Drizzle, 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 just like that. And I'm only doing white because we saw what happened previously. We didn't like it. This is my white cell activator. Okay, ready? I did want negative space. We're not gonna have negative space now. That's okay. Okay, better. Whew. Right? Is it exciting though? You know, is it? And I hate wrecking things, but I feel like the colors are pretty. Okay, I'm gonna start spinning. Hold on, I gotta get these bublés because they're gonna stop us in our tracks. I'm not gonna start wrecking it yet. I'm gonna start spinning. This could be very ugly. Ooh, we're starting the mess. Okay, let's go this way. So, yeah, see, there's still a lot of paint. Even though I didn't think I put so much paint on, but. Okay. Spinny, spinny. Okay, let's turn her around a bit. Okay, you know, it's not so shabby. Can't really complain. Oops. I'm just taping, so don't say any rude words.
Really?
Hey, Mo. I'm almost done, though.
You've been down here a long time, huh?
Oh, I know. I'm almost done. This is my birthday pour.
Is this safe to be down here?
Yeah, just give me. I'm almost done.
Hi guys.
Yeah, you can say hi.
Hi.
What do you? Okay, this is supposed to be. It's not. I don't know how well it's going. Okay, I'm gonna fix one little thing, and then I will be done.
How's the video going?
I'm not sure.
That is just said he's leaving soon.
Yes, sir. I'm almost done.
That looks actually kind of good in my opinion.
Does it? It's supposed to be for my birthday. Is it birthday worthy?
Yeah, if you like the color purple, yeah.
Okay, I think I do like the color purple. Oh, there's a lot of action going around now. All right. I think, is it kind of weird? It could be kind of weird. Okay, I'm gonna spin her a little bit more and then we'll do a close up. Watch out, Mo, there's flying paint everywhere.
Oh,
You can go back.
Okay, bye guys. I'll be right upstairs.
bye.
Okay, hold on.
Is it not live for the video?
No, not yet, because I'm gonna go, I gotta spin it a few more times.
Sorry.
I don't know if this is birthday worthy though.
Sorry, I don't usually do. I'm missing school because I'm not feeling well.
Yeah, you're not feeling
And
well.
I'm usually not doing work, so I don't know when we're filming, when we're not.
I know. Well, this is almost, I'm spinning till there's no paint left. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, at least it wasn't a total.
Guys, if you don't know me, I'm Wilson. This vlogs, I'm going to train a Motok.
Yeah, he does have his own channel. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a close-up of this. Like I said, I don't know how I feel about it. At least it's not a total fail, but I'm not like, no, thank you, honey. I'm gonna do a close-up. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Bye. Okay, guys, a little update. I wanted to, you okay? Yeah. I wanted to have some fun with it. So I am skewering it while it's wet to make fun shapes. So you can see I've already like done things like this.
It looks beautiful, fine, you know.
I'm gonna do one right here. I just wanted to show you, you know, it can be fun to like zhuzh it up a bit.
And to pop those pimples.
Yeah, and I am getting some air, not pimples, air bubbles.
Mom, it's pimple.
Ew. So I'm just like doing things like this. It's hard with one hand right now. But yeah, I'll show you a close up when I'm done. Hey guys, this is the final. I think I was just having fun like painting her, but I think she's fun. Here you go. So let me know what you think of my Bday Bloom. A bit of attitude. You know what I mean? It's hard to see the sparkle, but I'm not moving her at this point. But there is lots of sparkle there. Love you guys. Have some cake for me. Just say it's Lisa's Bday. We're allowed to have cake. Bye.